Inhale, jump to the right side, and then go to the west on your chest. Done? Table level. Now breathe, exhale, bend forward. Place your palm between the feet. Between the feet. कितना हाथ होना है? हाथ में डिस्टेंस होती है between the shoulder distance. And the alignment, your face should be aligned with the heel. पीछे ले जाओ. ध्यान रखो, face should be aligned with the heels. Okay. It will help you in outward bending. वो सामने करो.
पैर हाथ और ये हाथ
इक्वल होना चाहिए. नहीं, पीछे से इक्वल होना चाहिए, आगे से नहीं. पीछे से पांचों से यो नहीं पांचों से. ठीक है. ये this was the doing second step. Now inhale, head up. So this is the preparation. क्या है? Spine elongation. As I said, you should not move directly to the spine. उससे पहले एक movement आता है. What is that? Elongation of the spine. That will come in all poses. Before going forward, the main pose, what you should do? Elongation of the spine. तो ये हो गई elongation. कमर सीधी. And now त्रिनेणी exhale, bend forward. 5 breath कहाँ पे आएगा? त्रिनेणी पे. कहाँ पे आएगा? यहाँ पे कैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन दोगे आप? Move your crown of the head toward the floor, not toward the knee, toward the floor, toward the floor. तो कई लोग यहाँ पे गलत इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या देते हैं? Try to touch your forehead on the floor, and ये पूरा लाइन को गलत कर देते हैं. Because of your instruction, the student can do so many things, and like incorrect, wrong way. बोलते हैं ना, लेकिन पादहस्तासन में नहीं क्योंकि वर्ड से कर बोलते हैं. Touch your forehead on the knee, है ना? Bend forward and touch your forehead on the knee. And what they try to do, the beginner, they are forcing to touch their head to the knee, which creates this hyperflexion. Next step is hyperflexion, which creates unnecessary pressure on the neck, and you don't get a stretch on the spine. You supposed to get a stretch on the spine, but you don't get. तो इसलिए इंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे करो वो ध्यान रखो. ऐसे मतलब टच योर हेड टू द नी. वहाँ पे देखो, जैसे कैच योर फुट टो. कैच मतलब कोई नहीं है तो आप कैच करो. कैच तो नहीं बोलो, है ना? होल्ड करो, ये ग्रिप बोलो. कैच नहीं बोलोगे. कैच करना मतलब वो आपने कुछ फेंको मैं कैच कर रहा हूँ, है ना? तो ये जैसे कि बोलते हैं आर्च योर बैक, आर्च योर बैक, आर्च योर बैक. और आप आर्च योर बैक बोलो सीधा आर्च योर बोलो. लो चल जा. दोनों बैक से और लेग से. ओके, तो आपने इंस्ट्रक्शन डिपेंड करता है. अगर आप बोलोगे अच्छे से कि ओके lengthen your spine nicely, pull your spine up, and then go backwards first. You start moving from open up your shoulders and chest. तब वो अच्छे से ऊपर से जाएगा. नहीं तो आपने सीधे बोला आर्च योर बैक, सीधे जाएगा. इंस्ट्रक्शन आपकी क्लियर होनी चाहिए. बैंड फॉरवर्ड करो. ठीक है. पुल योर क्राउन ऑफ द हेड टुवर्ड्स द फेस. मूव. लेग का डिस्टेंस कैसे ना 4 feet 4.5. ओके, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती. डिपेंड ऑन दैट. डन. एंड हियर अगेन सेम 60% weight on the toes, 40 on the heels. Your hip should be just over the heels. This was the 3D. किसमें था? 3D में. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where you have to tip of the nose. Now, Chaturari inhale, elbow straight, and head up. Head up. Head up here. Only head up. Now, what he did? Inhale. Now, we have only last vinyasa left. And now. For last vinyasa, what he have to do? He have to move against the gravity. And then what should be the breathing? Inhale. But he already did inhale. So what he will do there? Exhale. Now this was the inhale last step. Now exhale there, micro bending. And then pancha inhale, come back to center. Both hands on the chest. Come on back. And exhale, release your hands because we are going to start the vinyasa of V. And then now ekam inhale. Both hands up. B start from here. B and C. Okay, सामने देखो. Now do exhale. Both hands on the chest. दोनों हाथ कर रखे. Elbow inside. Now inhale, chest open. Way पे inhale. दो breathing है देखो. Inhale, chest open. देखो तो कोई दिख ही ना रहा है. Okay, now training exhale. Bend forward. Again same alignment. 60% weight there. 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now चतुर्थी inhale come back directly, micropenis come back. So B has only 4 vinyasa, B and C. Exhale release. One movement, one breath. Take a minute. जब भी movement take करो breath लीजिए. एक अमित में thumbs up again. Do a exhale like an and back and come out. वे पे खाए. वे के बाद क्या करेगा वहाँ पे inhale के बाद exhale. Exhale के बाद क्या inhale. Inhale chest open. With the main preparation. And training exhale bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now micropenis is going to go back. And then relaxation. Release. Now D. D and A is very similar. Similar step. 5 vinyasa. And B and C is very similar. The steps are very same. The only change is that only difference is their hand position. Like him. एक अपने एक पोजीशन को निकाल. दो एक से bend forward grip या big toe. Grip या big toe. Inhale head up preparation. दो exhale के बाद क्या आएगा preparation. Now three exhale move forward. तो किस में आ रहा है main portion, किस में आ रहा है pause, किस में आ रहा है three में. किस में आ रहा है three on third step. Means the 5 counting is the third on third step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. चतुर्थी inhale head up. Exhale there. Micro